Car Warrior 2025. Today, we're diving into the ultra-luxurious, ultra-aggressive, and ultra-exclusive 2027 BMW 7 Series MANSORY, a masterpiece where executive comfort meets extreme performance. If you thought the standard BMW 7 Series was impressive, wait until you see what MANSORY has done to it. This is not just a luxury sedan. This is a rolling statement of power, prestige, and personalization. Let's explore the exterior, performance, interior, safety features, pricing, and everything that makes the 2027 BMW 7 Series MANSORY one of the most insane luxury sedans on the planet. Exterior design. The standard BMW 7 Series already carries an imposing presence, but MANSORY transforms it into a bold, head-turning beast. At the front, you'll notice a completely redesigned carbon fiber bumper with massive air intakes for enhanced cooling and aerodynamics. The illuminated kidney grille is even more dramatic, now framed with forged carbon elements. Slim laser headlights blend aggressively with the sculpted hood, giving the car a sharper and more dominant face. Moving to the side profile, MANSORY adds ultra-light forged alloy wheels, typically ranging from 22 to 23 inches, wrapped in high-performance tires. The lowered suspension gives the car a sportier stance while maintaining executive elegance. Carbon fiber side skirts and custom mirror caps further enhance the aerodynamic flow. At the rear, the transformation becomes even more dramatic. A redesigned rear diffuser, quad exhaust system, and subtle carbon lip spoiler make it clear this is not an ordinary 7 Series. The custom LED taillights and MANSORY badging complete the look. This is luxury with attitude, a perfect blend of limousine sophistication and supercar aggression. Performance. Under the hood, the 2027 BMW 7 Series MANSORY is built to dominate highways. Based on the high-performance variant of the 7 Series, likely inspired by the powerful M760i platform, this machine is expected to feature a twin-turbocharged V8 or even a modified V12 setup depending on configuration. MANSORY's tuning upgrades can push output beyond 700 horsepower, with torque figures exceeding 850 Nm. That means 0 to 100 km/h in approximately 3.5 to 3.8 seconds, incredible for a full-size luxury sedan. An upgraded sports exhaust system delivers a deeper, more aggressive tone without compromising the refinement expected from a flagship sedan. Enhanced engine mapping, improved cooling systems, and optimized turbochargers ensure explosive acceleration. The all-wheel drive system combined with adaptive air suspension keeps the ride balanced between comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising in the city or flying down the highway, this car delivers smooth yet thrilling performance. This is executive class speed. Interior luxury. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a completely reimagined luxury cabin. The original BMW 7 Series interior is already futuristic and premium, but MANSORY elevates it with bespoke craftsmanship. Expect hand-stitched leather in custom color combinations, from bold red and black themes to elegant white and gold finishes. Carbon fiber accents are carefully integrated into the dashboard, center console, and door panels. The massive curved digital display remains the centerpiece, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless unit. Rear passengers enjoy executive lounge seating with reclining functionality, massaging seats, individual entertainment screens, and premium ambient lighting. MANSORY logos are embroidered into the headrests, seat belts are customized, and even the pedals are redesigned with aluminum sport finishes. Every detail is tailored. This isn't just luxury, it's personalization at its highest level. Safety features. Luxury and speed mean nothing without safety. And the 2027 BMW 7 Series MANSORY delivers cutting-edge protection. Built on BMW's advanced platform, the car includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree surround view camera, parking assistant professional, traffic jam assist, collision avoidance systems. The advanced driver assistance system ensures semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making long journeys effortless and secure. The reinforced chassis, multiple airbags, advanced stability control, and intelligent braking systems make this luxury sedan as safe as it is powerful. Technology. Technology is where the 7 Series truly shines. The latest iDrive system offers voice control, gesture control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Rear seat passengers can control climate, entertainment, and seating adjustments via touchscreen panels integrated into the doors. A premium surround sound system, possibly upgraded to a custom Mansory audio configuration, delivers a concert-like experience. The panoramic glass roof, customizable ambient lighting, and executive rear theater screen transform every journey into a first-class flight experience. Price. Now let's talk about the price. The standard 2027 BMW 7 Series is already positioned in the premium luxury segment. However, a full Mansory conversion significantly increases exclusivity and cost. The expected starting price for the 2027 BMW 7 Series Mansory could range between $250,000 and $350,000 depending on customization options, performance upgrades, and interior personalization. Limited production and bespoke builds mean no two units are exactly alike, and that exclusivity is part of what makes this car so special. This is not just a vehicle. It's a luxury investment. The 2027 BMW 7 Series Mansory proves that luxury sedans don't have to be boring. It combines executive comfort, breathtaking design, extreme performance, and cutting-edge technology into one bold package. From its aggressive carbon fiber exterior to its handcrafted interior and 700+ horsepower performance, this car represents the ultimate fusion of power and prestige. If you love luxury cars, high-performance sedans, and exclusive builds, this is one machine you cannot ignore. This is Car Warrior 2025, bringing you the most powerful, luxurious, and futuristic cars in the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic automotive content. See you in the next video.